Hey guys, good morning from somewhere in the outskirts of Arkalgud. So headed to Coorg again. So this time just couple of my friends. So it was a sudden plan and we just wanted to visit Coorg to see the blooming of the Neela Kurunji flowers, the blue flowers that bloom in once in 12 years. So yeah, we made a sudden plan and we wanted to just go see in the weekend. So it's currently around 6:45. The sunrise is starting somewhere there, so friends are just inside, so I just stopped to take a break. So yeah, so we're just heading to Madikeri first, the Madikeri town, and maybe we are going to Madikeri town first and then maybe visit one or two places there and then go check into the homestay. So this trip is gonna be epic. Stay tuned. So just made it to Madikeri town. So we just stopped in a place called East End Hotel. I think most of you familiar with Madikeri would be knowing. So we just stopped there for breakfast and it's around 8:30 and the town of Madikeri looks very beautiful. It's not at all sunny. I mean, there's no sun at all, and it's all mist. So I don't know if you guys can see the size of this dosa. This is my hand. This is the dosa. Early morning they gave a shock. This chutney. So the next time you're in Coorg, come and try breakfast here. They serve non-vegetarian breakfast early in the morning, and also the view around is pretty nice, and you have parking also. So parked the car there and we made it to Abbi Falls, and then we'll have to walk another 1 kilometer I think to the falls. So just walking. This road is newly laid, so we're not supposed to take the cars in this. You can hear the falls from here, but yeah, it's a 300 meters hike down the stairs to reach the falls. So these are coffee estates to the right and left, and so I don't know what happened here, but maybe my tree fell. Can you guys hear the falls? I'm almost here. Yeah. Yes. This is Abbi Falls. Wow. So there's nothing much to do here, and we'll be heading out to the room. So friends are here, so we'll climb it back. ಇಳಿಯುವಾಗ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗಿಲ್ಲ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಹತ್ತುವಾಗ ಟಾಪ್ ಬಾಟಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಿತ್ತೋಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಅದೇನು ಸ್ವೀಪ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಏನಿಲ್ಲ. So guys, this is the place that we'll be staying for the next 2 days. This is the homestay, and that's our cottage. So this place is damn sweet, man. I mean, there's a river flowing right there that goes to Harangi Reservoir, and I've been to this place I think more than 15 times till now for the past 10-12 years, and I always want to come back to this place a lot because it feels like home. So yeah, we just checked in, so we'll just freshen up and maybe go chill by the river later. So that's the plan. So I'd come here, like I said, I'd come here earlier, I think this year in March, and that time this small dog here, right? So this is Simba. So he was a small puppy 4-5 months back. Hey Simba, you want to tell something? So he's a very good boy actually. So yeah, so this is my room, and this is gonna be my view for the next 2 days. So guys, came near the river. It's in good flow, and we're just chilling by here, just sitting and chilling, listening to some music and just speaking. So that is the homestay. So there's small stairs that you have to climb, and it's right by the river. So we're going for lunch. We're damn hungry. Oh, hi baby. This place is next level, man. You guys have to visit. I'll leave the phone number or the link to the location maybe in the description. So this is the dining hall. So I hope it's ready. It's around 1 o'clock in the afternoon. So this is the dining hall. So I'll just serve some food and probably catch up later. So nothing much fancy food, just basic homestay food. So just having some chicken, some potato curry, puri, and some lemon rice. So we're just lazing around, and the food was very heavy, and my friends are all passed out sleeping. So I thought I'll just show you guys around the property. So I hope you guys like the drone shot. So the sunset is happening somewhere behind us, and we decided to go to Madhapur, get some snacks for later, and probably just chill there. So we'll be putting a campfire here, a bonfire set up, and yeah, like you guys saw earlier, we might go near the lake and chill for a while, but don't know when everyone would wake up. So it's close to 4 o'clock in the evening, so we have still at least 3 hours of daylight left. So we'll see what we can go see or explore. So also right next to our room is the coffee estate, and yeah, so there is a path you can kind of walk through, but on this side, the other side. But yeah, proper jungle fields. If you guys have not seen how coffee grows, this is a coffee plant, and those are the coffee beans that you see. And once they are ready to be plucked, they'll be plucked from there, and so they have their drying place there. So they dry those coffee beans and then roast it and then grind it, and then that's what you have as coffee. So yeah, hope you guys like the drone shot. Just like that, it starts raining. So we're going Madhapur.